Hi everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Plugins for Dummies by a Dummy. Today we're going to focus on installation. We are going to install all of the products that we need in order to get our first plugin up and running. All of the videos that I will be creating are going to be sequential, so we need to follow them step by step to get all this working. They will be short, so you can get one task done at a time. All right. So without further ado, stay tuned. The first tool we need to download and install is Visual Studio Community. I'm going to choose a Community Edition because that is free, under a few requirements that we have to fill. So it is for the following scenarios, a classroom learning environment, which it absolutely can be in academic research, which it kind of is, or for contributing to open source projects, which it obviously is in this case. But if you just focus on the academic part, you should be fine. I mean, you're not using this for actual production. If you do production, figure out the license otherwise. But if you're going to do this to learn yourself, this should be fine. So go ahead and download this. And I'm probably just going to speed up because the next thing we're going to have to do is the installation process. Once we got this out of the way, there are tons of things we can choose here. I'm just going to go for the .NET desktop development. Very simple, very easy. Click it. I do not need to choose anything more here. Just do install. We're going to do other installs also, okay? So just click install. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is just launch the application. You can choose to sign in. For now, I'm just going to skip this step. And I don't really choose anything here. I mean, sure, you can do dark mode if you're very inspired by dark mode. If you want to be dev, you should be good dark. I really don't care. I usually go light though, but sure, for the purpose of trying to play to be a developer, let's do dark mode this time. All right. So the reason why I did this right now is because I'm not really sure, because we need to install one more tool in order for this to work. I think I need to launch this product the first time in order for it to work. But the point is that when we start doing a new project, we're going to see that we're missing out on a specific file. So now that I launched Visual Studio, again, I don't know if we really need to do it. I just do it because it works that way. I'm just going to go continue without code, and we have a Visual Studio setup. Okay, again, I'm just going to close this out right now. And back to the next step, which is downloading the .NET Framework. I'm just going to close this off. .NET Framework 4.6.2. Now, this is very old, but then again, this is how Dataverse Dynamics works. So we need this, and we're going to go for the developer pack. These links right here are also going to be available down in the section for the YouTube, the comment section, or yeah, of course, the description section. Right. So click on in this case, it will automatically download if you click the link. I'm just going to click the download manually. Again, a new file. We open the file. And yes, I do agree to the terms. All right, close. And next step, the last step, is we need to download the XrmToolBox. If you do not know what this is, you should, well, I don't think you would be viewing this video if you did not know what this was. But I'm not really going to do a review of the XrmToolBox, but it is kind of a necessity for many things. We're also going to be using it for the plugin registration tool later on. But for now, just go here and download the latest version. It is a zip file. Here, and in the download folder, we are going to do one quick thing. We are going to right-click, show more options, properties. In the properties, make sure to unblock apply. Okay. And you can just do extract the whole file to whatever location you want. Okay. And I'm going to skip now because that's all kind of we need to do. We need to do this tool. Just click the extract and you get the tool. Okay. So once that tool has been downloaded, you just open the folder and you can open your tool. And that would be the XrmToolBox. So that is it for now. These are the tools that we installed. In the next video, we're actually going to start configuring a few of them, okay? Stay tuned for the next video.